So welcome back. You will see I've got my two sides here. There's actually two pieces of wood here, and I've marked on both pieces. Just means I can cut more at once, and means I can cut quicker than what I could do if I did one at a time. So I'm going to now talk you through, show you the cutting of it. As I said, remember there's those angles. I've marked you probably can't see it on the camera, but I've marked my lines across both of them, and I've marked my waist. What's important is you cut just the waist side of the line. So I don't cut on the line, I cut just on the one side. If you want to make it slightly easier, what you could do is just lift it up and actually twist the piece of wood at an angle slightly, and then you're cutting straight as opposed to cutting at an angle. I'm comfortable cutting at an angle, so that's what I'm going to do. So here we go. So there we go. I have those lines cut down them as close as I can get. I've got my waist clearly marked with X's. My next step that I do is I get a slightly thicker saw now, and I just cut through on the waist here. So I don't do my ends, but the ends that are the waist and the ends, I'm not going to cut those yet. Let's just do the middle ones. I'm going to start by cutting just through the middle. And when I say through the middle, I mean I'm going to cut through in the center of the waist section. Just cut a line straight down, stopped about 3 or 4 mils short of the bottom. And now, the way I do it, it's not the only way, there's other ways to do it. I don't have other fancy saws to get in there. So I now put my blade into that groove that I just cut, and I cut down. So let me maybe move the camera so I can show you a bit better. So here's looking from the top, and you can see there, that section there is the waist, and I've made a cut down through the middle of the waist. Now I'm just going to hold this here while I cut. I don't have a fancy stand for this. So that's the mark there. I put this in angled like that, and then I saw down to the edge, and I'll do a saw and then I'll show you what it looks like. So if I come close up, you can see those lines down the middle there. You can see where the waist is. Focus in there. And you can see I've cut down. Now the nice thing about doing it this way is that these pieces will just, unless I haven't gone close enough, they'll just pop out fairly simply like that. I'll get the other one out now. And then I can just close off this angle down there as well. Just to get it a bit closer, and then I can even leave it like this and just come with my chisel and chisel what's left out pretty simply. And there we are. So now what I need to do is I will come and just take off I'll turn a piece of wood around and just cut off my ends there, and then we should be ready to start chiseling. there you have it. You'll see my line's not perfectly straight there. That's fine. I actually didn't wanted to leave a little bit of the pencil mark on both on the other sides. Actually, here it is. You'll just see the pencil mark there as well, which I wanted to leave so that I have some space just to finish up with a chisel.